front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Whatever you decided, when you're ready to create voice memo now and send it, use this button at the bottom right corner. Then operate those. Tap on microphone to start recording. Then restart it if you want to. Hit attach right away or use the same middle button to end it, and then listen to it here before deciding what you wish to do. Lastly, send it. If you want to add already existing audio file, use this button or a plus at the bottom left corner and hit Files. Then you need to look for yours by tapping on one of those apps and looking within, by hitting Audio at the top or selecting those three lines at the top left corner to pick your file from one of those sources, like Downloads. After you find it, tap on it to attach it. When it comes to video, use this button or the photo at the bottom right corner and operate camera portion of your screen to record your video now. And then send it. If you wish to add already existing one, use the same button, hold this line and drag it up to access your gallery. Then tap on a video you wanna add, hit Done at the bottom right corner and send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!